So normally, so I do all the cooking, right? But so the last year and this year, I pass it over to Kennedy now. So, and here's the chef for this year.
What's up, guys? You guys miss me? 1 year later.
1 year.
Finally back.
That's right. He's back. Look at that. He's chopping up onions right now. And let's see what he has in the oven right now. โอ้เมื่อเช้าได้ตื่นขึ้นมาเนี่ยพอดีกันง่วงยิงในเตาอบแล้วเนาะมื้อนี้ลูกเขาเจ้าเฮ็ดให้เขาเจ้าเฮ็ด ว้าวหอมขนาดOh, we have a new member for Thanksgiving. Paxton, sit up. There you go.
You guys are on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, it's nice.
So this is your first Thanksgiving out here too?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who's doing the cooking?
Huh?
Who's doing the cooking?
Him.
Who's that?
My stepdad.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going back to bed.
Hey! First Thanksgiving ever. Nah. First Thanksgiving ever นะลูกเนาะว้ายชื่อนายแหงวัดนี่นะเพราะว่านายแหงวันเราจะใส่เดือนอะไรนะฮะนายแหงวันแล้ว
But he did it 4 times in a row. He loved it. It's a
We do have sports?
I want to go get. I love your dress. How cute.
Oh, nice cake.
Come on, you have to say.
It's set and it's ready.
You guys say it really fast.
Come on.
And the kids are playing games.
Canada?
You can't. You can't. You can't. No, you can't. You can't go easy on her. Smoke her.
Yellow 5?
It's cleaning out the kitchen right there.
You have it.
Cooking clean like a real house
Yes.
wife. House hubby.
Come on.
So how is your first Thanksgiving here?
I love it.
You have to enjoy the weather today because tomorrow is going to be another day.
Look at this.
I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't had a good meal in so long. But this
Wow.
year was way better than last year. I don't know.
Look at this. We got the whole family here today.
Didn't my mom have Thanksgiving last year with you guys?
Yeah.
Kali?
It just tastes more Canadian for some reason.
Yeah. We had a lot of Canadian bacons here today. It's all ham.
Yummy. You guys
Nice.
got 2 Thanksgivings this year, huh?
Not too dry?
Extra dry.
Extra dry?
Extra dry. Just kidding. It's good. I haven't tried it yet.
Yeah. Oh, it looks pretty good.
I look forward to Thanksgiving every year.
It looks really good.
Yes, sir. Wish you guys were here.
Look at that plate. Oh.
How's done?
Well, in your
Yeah, you guys give them our Christmas.
You need a
Cranberry sauce?
Because like one, our house is like decked out with hot Christmas stuff. Because my grand
โอ้ยแม่เท่าเนี่ยบุกินรถเข้าเลย พอได้อุ้มหลานมันบุกินรถเข้าโอ้ยหลานน้อยนี่ฮะเรเดนลูกฮะกินบ่เข้ากินบ่เทอร์กี้เอาขาเทอร์กี้เนาะ
ข้าไทยเธอกี่ข้านี่
บนบิ๊กเทอร์กี้เล็กหรอ
โด
บิ๊กเทอร์
ย
กี้เล็กเนาะ
โดยนั่นแหละ
โอ้ยดูแต่นี่บ่งามปานใด
โอเค
So good meal? Was it good meal? Look at that. Just done, almost done with her plate.
Yeah.
Second glasses of wine. Look at that. She doesn't drink water, by the way. She take the wine with her vitamins and all that.
Yeah, there's 3
what day were you
ones over already.
Look at that. That's the number one. That's number one kid right now.
It's not like worried if I got a double chin in that picture, but.
Okay, I'll
I'll see you soon, okay? Take a picture for me.
I got a big gut in that pit.
I'll take you out for some parties.
Hey, look at that. Okay, now return Raiden now.
Hey, don't steal the baby, please. No taking the baby home.
That's cute. Can you send it? Yeah, that's so cute. He's gonna go.
Look at that baby Raiden. He's number one. Bye bye. See?
Yeah.
Kelly,
Oh, thank you.
Sunita, here and you come back, okay? Don't go.
Bye bye. Look.
Go to Europe.
Look. So you doing okay tonight? Yeah?
She's the best. I just met her today and can't believe I met the famous Grammy Johnson. I hear about everything you do, like your baking, and you used to bake 6 loaves of bread every single week. You used to make baked Alaskas.
No, she did that. Oh, it has to be how many years ago? That's over 35 years ago.
Going strong.
Yeah. That was my first birthday cake. Look.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So
Ah.
talented.
So now she's with us here in the West Coast. First Thanksgiving ever for her.
Yay!
So
Her.
we have to take her out to the beaches.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
it's a little bit cold, but
Yeah. She's coming from New England though.
oh that's right, it's snowing over there.
Yeah. It's not cold for them. So nice.